Ever had that awkward moment splitting a bill with friends? You know the one, wads of cash getting passed around, people fumbling for change, the inevitable question of who owes what. Thankfully, peer-to-peer payment apps like Zelle have revolutionized the way we share money. But what if you're a Relay user? Does Relay have Zelle? This question pops up a lot, and for good reason. Both Zelle and Relay offer convenient ways to send and receive money electronically. But with so many options out there, it's natural to wonder which one works best for you. Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Relay and Zelle to see if they're friends or foes. The allure of Zelle, why it's popular. Let's face it, Zelle has become a household name when it comes to money transfers. Launched in 2017 by a consortium of major U.S. banks, it boasts a massive network of users. The idea is simple: link your bank account to Zelle and send or receive money directly from your contacts' phone numbers or email addresses. Fast, convenient, familiar, that's the magic of Zelle. But here's the catch: Zelle is primarily a U.S.-based service. While it's expanding to some international markets, Nigeria, unfortunately, isn't one of them yet. So, if you're a Relay user in Abuja, you won't be able to use Zelle directly. Relay to the rescue, your Nigerian money mover. Now, let's talk about Relay. Launched in 2021, it's a relatively new player on the block, but it's specifically designed for the Nigerian market. Here's the beauty of Relay: it understands your needs. It integrates seamlessly with your Nigerian bank account, allowing you to send and receive money instantly with just a phone number. So, can Relay replace Zelle? Well, that depends. If you primarily transfer money within Nigeria, Relay is absolutely a fantastic option. It's fast, secure, and built for the Nigerian banking system. Plus, you can pay bills, top up your phone, and even invest, all within the Relay app. However, if you need to send money internationally, especially to the US, then Zelle's vast network might be more suitable. But remember, you'll need a US bank account to use it. The bottom line: finding your money transfer match. Ultimately, the choice between Relay and Zelle depends on your specific needs. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. For sending and receiving money within Nigeria, Relay is your champion. It's built for the Nigerian market and offers a seamless experience. For sending money internationally, especially to the US, if you have a US bank account, Zelle might be a better fit due to its wider network. Beyond Zelle versus Relay, exploring other options. While Zelle and Relay are popular choices, there's a whole world of money transfer apps out there. Depending on your needs, you might consider services like WorldRemit, PaySend, or even traditional money transfer services like Western Union. The key is to do your research and compare fees, transfer speeds, and supported countries before making a decision. Remember, it's all about convenience. No matter which platform you choose, the goal is to find a service that makes sending and receiving money as easy and convenient as possible. So, ditch the awkward cash exchanges and embrace the digital age. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy money transferring.